Hi, I'm Kathy and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about vertical gardening. I'm going to try it a little bit more than usual this year. I've always had tomato cages and that is a kind of vertical gardening, but this time I'm going to use some garden fencing. This is a plastic mesh. I hung it from the top of my porch up here and I am going to grow some pole beans in these buckets, or maybe some cucumbers, and make some pickles. I have enough to cover this side of my porch too, and that will give me a lot of vegetables to work with. Let's say that you don't want to hang things from your porch, or maybe you don't even have that much space. How about something like this grow bag? There are pockets in here, and you can fill them up with some dirt and plant your vegetables or herbs. Not so much vegetables, I'm guessing. You would do like leaf vegetables like kale and spinach and lettuce in here. You can also put in herbs or strawberries. That would be really tasty. And they come ready to hang. They have these hangers on them. You could even try putting plastic bags inside here and just making little holes for drainage, and that would keep your bags from wearing out quite so fast. If you're going to use containers, you're going to want to use some kind of a potting mix rather than garden soil, because this won't pack down so tight and the containers need a little bit of more care when you're planting things. You can use even not fancy pots. You can make them as nice looking as you want, but you can use feed containers or old kitty litter containers. How about this kind of an arrangement? You can take stakes and put either plant something right at the base of the stake and let it grow up, or you can put a container down there and do the same thing as I'm doing with my garden fencing. Also, if you have some yarn or twine or string of some sort, you can hang it from somewhere and let it drape down. I would suggest putting knots in the length of it in various places, and then doing string or twine across the knots and knot everything together into kind of a net, and that would make a good simple, cheap way for you to grow things vertically. You can grow things up a fence. You can grow things up your mailbox. You can grow them up your posts, your porch posts. Anything that will hold some kind of a plant, that would be the way to go. So I hope you have some good ideas about how to save space and still get lots of good food out of the area where you live. Even if it's just a balcony, you can grow things up. So I hope you have a good day, stay safe, and stay well.